Hey guys, it is another week of What's for Dinner. Make sure you go and subscribe down below for more of these meals. So today we were supposed to have leftovers, but we're just going to have those for lunches and for our leftover days. But today we are having chicken Alfredo. Now this chicken Alfredo was already pre-made at Sam's Club, so we paid $10 for this huge pan, and we just put it in the oven for 45 to 50 minutes. And this is how it came out. And we put some red pepper flakes and some pepper on top. And this is our dinner for tonight. Alright, you guys, so it is Monday and we are having tacos, which I usually make a taco salad. So it has taco shells crunched up, cheese, meat, sour cream. I usually have an avocado, but the avocado I had was bad. So I don't have any veggies, which is very sad. But it's fine. So this is our dinner for tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, you guys, so we got some Papa John pizzas because I could not do leftovers anymore. I had some for lunch, and it was just not satisfying. I threw most of it all away. But we have Papa John's. We got some pepperoni pizza with a garlic crust. And then we got some cheese sticks. The only reason we got these Papa John's is because our apartment, every Tuesday you get 40% off of a delivery service. So we ordered this. This was under $20. And yeah, so we're going to have this and enjoy it and be happy. See you guys tomorrow. Hi you guys, so we are just having leftover pizza from Papa John's. We're just finishing it off so we can throw the cardboards away later on. But we have pepperoni pizza and cheese sticks. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, you guys, so it is actually Friday, and I literally just came home from work. I worked a 12-hour shift, so I stopped at Fresh Market because we were supposed to have breakfast, but, wanted something quick and easy. So I picked up some roasted chicken salad from there, which looks really good. I just made a sandwich, so that's literally bread and the chicken salad. And then I picked up some of this pasta, which is smoked mozzarella pasta. And one of the ladies, the cashier, said to warm it up for like 45 seconds, and it's really good. So we're going to try that out. And then I got this new drink that I found. It's called New Wave Soda. It is in flavor of mango. I got Jared the tangerine. And also, look, you guys, there is only 6 carbs in this can. So that's pretty exciting. So picked that up. It was like $2.19. So this is dinner tonight. Very quick and easy. It's at your local Fresh Market in the deli. So go and check that out. And we will see you guys tomorrow. So update on the chicken salad. Really good. It's the second time for me to get it. The mango drink. Awesome. This smoked mozzarella pasta. It's a little weird. I'm not going to lie. Maybe too much mayonnaise in it. And I love mayonnaise. It's a little too mayonnaisey for me. Maybe because I didn't stir it up. But yeah, that's my honest opinion on those. Hey you guys, so it's the last day of What's for Dinner. It is Saturday. It's very simple. We've been going all day, so didn't really want to cook anything. So we stopped at Walmart because we had to get our grocery haul. The link will be down below, or it will be at the end where you can click on the video to watch it. So anyways, I wanted some ramen noodles and some popcorn chicken from Walmart. My mom and Jared wanted some pizza. I did not want pizza because we've been eating that all week. So this is what we're having. Chicken, ramen, noodles. Very bad for you. Don't eat it all the time. And then popcorn chicken. So I will see you guys next week for another video of What's for Dinner. Make sure you go and subscribe down below. And let me know if you're going to try any of these other recipes that I tried this week. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.